congratulations on winning the Industry Advocacy Award at the first Women in Industry Awards. How does it feel?
It just doesn't feel real. It's such an honour. There's looking through the list of women who are nominated. It's such an inspirational group. So it really is such an honour to be considered in the first place. But to win this award is amazing.
Definitely. Now, you've worked across a variety of domains. How important has this been in your local and international work?
Oh, it's invaluable. So the space industry, first of all, it's very multidisciplinary. It also doesn't work unless you get the policy right, the research right, be able to commercialise the products, have the talent coming through. So really to be successful, we really need to look at the whole integrated system. So it's also very much a global industry. So we can't just look to our own capability. We have to have those partnerships internationally as well.
Now, the judges commented on your ability to clearly demonstrate your key projects. Did you start out with a clear goal and direction for your career, or did it progress or evolve over time?
It definitely evolved. I've always liked big problems, and the more complex the better. And I suppose I decided that you couldn't get much bigger and more complex and more challenging than space. So that was I came to it quite late, but the minute I was exposed to that, I knew that was my passion forever and a day. And I certainly haven't veered from that. But because of the nature of the industry, you're able to dabble in the engineering, the policy, commercialisation, so you certainly never get bored, and it's great to be able to keep growing and keep learning and keep expanding in that way.
Great. Now, it's also fantastic that you've developed a summer internship program for undergraduates. Do you think more of these need to be available?
Oh, most definitely. We have the most talented students coming through. The biggest risk for them is being able to get that experience. So their academics are outstanding, but they need to be able to be exposed to real projects. So we see these are our future, and our future will be as bright as the investment we make in them. So if we leave them to their own devices, often what happens is they go overseas. So we invest in developing the talent, and then we let somebody else capitalise on it. So we really do need to show them that there's a future for them in the industry here. Make sure that we mould them in with the skills that we need. So you call it a very self-serving exercise, but it really is. It's what keeps the passion in the industry, because they bring new ideas, they're new ways of thinking, and it's such a dynamic industry that we need that constant flow through of talent and innovation and that new way of thinking.
And keep it domestically rather than allowing them to go international.
We want to get the benefit of it. And we want to send them overseas for a time, because they also become an advocate for us and encourage those international partnerships. So, but I think it's a waste if we don't capitalise on that talent we have.
Well, thank you for your time, and congratulations once again on your award.